Let's turn to Turkey now, from Bosnia to Turkey.
So this question from Babur Han, Turkey, from
Huh?
Talbot. Babur Han, Turkey, from Talbot. He asked Huzur that could Huzur explain why burial is preferred by Islam rather than cremation, and do the exception to this rule include climatic conditions where the earth is too cold or frozen?
You see, number one, because Allah warns people against the burning fire of hell. Hence, to offer oneself to that fire while on earth is not a good token. That is why burning is strongly condemned. As far as the burial is concerned, how many people have got buried from the beginning of the time till today? And where have they gone? The flesh and bones have deterred and disintegrated. And we do not know how many townships are built on the graveyards of the previous people's destruction or death. So the level of the earth's surface goes on rising slowly and slowly, but at the same time it buries previous civilizations underneath. So how do we know what is below us? Maybe there are thousands of skeletons who were buried through earthquakes and other calamities or normal course of death, and we don't know whether they exist below us. So the person should not be bothered about the space for the burial. The space has always been available, right? And new graves can be built over the other graves. Apart from that, I suggested once a way by which in a smaller area you can build large scale places, tall places where people can be buried on the side of the wall. This is what Ashab Kahf did. The people of the cave, whom Allah praises so much, when they went into the caves, they could not come out for a long period while they suffered death continuously. So where did they put their dead? They had an ingenious device of digging graves on the sides of the walls instead of underneath. And they kept on burying them on the side one after the other. So this idea put me to the solution of this question, that in the modern times it is very possible that deep graveyards can be designed by modern architects, which can accommodate the dead bodies of thousands of people, while in ordinary graves, perhaps in that area the grave covers, they can only bury one. So it all depends on the modern architects. It's a challenge to them. If they meet it properly, there will be no problem of shortage of space anyway. See? You understand? You will be able to convey this to the person who asked? Okay.